Hey guys, welcome back to 60-second trivia. Today, science and nature. Let's go. What is the only planet in our solar system not named after a god? Earth. What is the process by which plants make their food using sunlight? Photosynthesis. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au. What kind of rock is formed from volcanic activity? Igneous rock. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The Pacific Ocean. What is the largest organ in the human body? The skin. Great job, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know how you did in the comments.